Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about a program based on switch case statement in Java. Fine. So see this example. I am hard coding the value of a variable a here. So what do you mean by hard coding? It means you have added the value of a variable in the code itself rather than requesting it from a user or pulling it from a database or some another way like fetching it from an API. This is what the meaning of hard coding. So in this example, you have hard coded the value of a variable a, right? In some cases, hard coding a value is perfectly fine, but in majority cases, it is always good to avoid the practice of hard coding. Remember this point. Now, my requirement is I want to take input from user and assign to a variable a. Fine, this is my requirement. That's what we usually do in real-time projects, right? So basically, I want to read input from the keyboard. How can we fulfill this requirement? See, we can use a scanner class of java.util package if we really want to read input from keyboard. So the point here is this scanner class is present in java.util package. If we want to read input from the keyboard, then we can use a scanner class. Make this thing clear. Fine. So you have to create an object of scanner class like this. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner, and what is the argument? System dot in. So basically, what is this system dot in? It is basically a input stream, right? Input stream. So this system dot in is used to take input from the standard input. It works just like taking inputs from the keyboard. Clear with this point? So what will happen at this line? Scanner sc is equal to new scanner and then system dot in. We are passing here. What will happen at this line? At this line, we are creating an object of scanner class and we have to pass input stream in the constructor of scanner class. So whatever you are passing here, na, system.in, it is an argument to the constructor of this scanner class, right? So let's see the next example. Before that, one more point I want to cover. So basically you have to create a scanner class object and call the respective methods on the object reference variable. Fine. In this lecture, just remember you have to do like this. No need to think more, no need to go in depth about the scanner concept. I will teach in the future. Okay. This is a big concept. For now, I am going to use in my program. So I am just giving you the overview. Fine. So let's see next example. In this example, we are taking the input from user and we are assigning the value to a variable. Right? See, first we are creating the scanner object here and we are taking the input from the user and we are assigning to a variable a here. So this is what called a what? Taking a input from the user from keyboard. Let's see more. So basically what is this next int method? This next int is what? This next int is what? Will read input value from the user. Fine. Or you can say it scans the next token of the input as a int. As a int. And see here, this quotes allows a user to read a number from system.in because system.in is what? A stream, right? A stream. So from this stream, you're reading a number. Of which type? Int type. Because of that reason, you are using next int method. Fine. Because this system.in is what? Input stream. So I hope this much is pretty much clear to you. Now let's go for the programming. Now my requirement is I want to take dynamic input named as month and I want to show the name of the month on the console. For example, if user will enter the month as 1, so the output will be January. If he will enter 2, so I want to show the output as February. So this is my requirement. How can I achieve this? Go to the Eclipse. We have this com.naveen package. Right click, new, then class. What we are learning here? We are learning the switch. So switch demo. I want the main method inside this. Finish it up. Now the program starts. So first thing is I want to take the input from the user. Which input? Month input. Month. So I can ask the user like this. Enter the month. Fine. And then user will type something, okay, on the console. So how can you take that thing in your program? sc.next int, because you know month is what? Int type. I want int type of data. So sc.next int. Before that you have to create what? Scanner object. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner, and you have to pass what here? System dot in. See, system.in is what? Input stream. This is what? The standard input stream. Fine. Typically this stream corresponds to keyboard input. So this is done. Import this scanner. It is present in which package? Java.util package. So select this one. Now done. Your object is ready for the scanner class. Now sc.next you are doing, and you're assigning the value. So how can you do? See, control and press 2, control 2, and see here, assign to a local variable. You can take shortcuts like this. So int, and what I don't want to store this in this local. I have already this variable month, so I can use like month. Okay, whatever user is giving the input, please assign to this month variable, which is of which type? Int type. Fine. So you have taken the input from the user. Now you have to perform operation. So I have one more variable, string month name. Now I want switch case statement here. Now in the place of key, it means in the place of key what you have to pass? On the basis of month you want to show the output, right? So here it will be month. Then in the case of value it is like first month. If it is 1, then what you want to print? You want to print January, right? Instead of that approach, do one thing. See here we have this month name variable. Assign the value to this month name variable like January. Fine. This is one case. Like this we want how many cases? 12 cases total, right? Because we have 12 months in a year. So what you can do, select this and use Control Alt and down arrow. It will create a duplicate for you. So now change the case just 2, and what is the month name here? February, right? Fine. Month 3, what is the name? March, right? Then case 4, what is the name? April. Like this you want how many? More 8s are required, na? So select this, Control Alt, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 time down arrow I have pressed, right? So this is 4th. 5th month is what? May, correct? Then 6th month is what? May, June. Then here this 7 month is what? June, then July. The next 8, then case 9, edit this first, then case 10, then case 11, Case 12. Total we have this 12 cases, right? So 8th, in the 8th, what is June, July, August? August month. Case 9, August, September. September. Then we have October here. October. Then case 11, November. Then December. Right? So you have assigned these values to what? This variable month name. Now in the default case, what you can type? What you can do in the default case? In the month name, you can assign like this. You have entered invalid month. Invalid month, right? Now your program is ready. This thing is ready, right? The case statement. See, always use the shortcut because development should be fast, right? So after this switch, I can print like this. What is the actual value of month name? Month name. Fine. So this is my program ready, right? Now it's time to run. See, what is this? It is a warning. Resource leak. SC is never closed. This is scanner. SC is never closed. So you can close here. SC dot close. It is closed now. Now see. I want to run this. Run this. Run as Java application. So see, it is asking enter the month. So I am typing 1 and enter. See, you got the output as January. What will happen? See, when you typed 1, so inside this month, what is the value now? 1. So go to the switch. Switch, or here it is what? 1. Which case is the matching case? Case 1 here. See, 1 is present here. So this is the matching case. So if it is the matching case, so month name will be assigned with January and then break. Break, then control will come to this line, right? Because you are breaking. So system.out.println, you are printing this month name. So what is the value present in month name? January. So you got January in the output. Just like that, see, run as Java application. Now type 13. Is there any month? 13 month? No. So enter. You have entered invalid month. I hope this example is pretty much clear to you now. So thanks for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel to get further updates.